Hi everybody, Rob here. So I want to talk really briefly on what's included when you join up with the Ferry Masters program. First thing I want to say is that I've been doing ferries for a long time. I'm thinking almost 20 years now, and we've created a system that we've honed over the years that we've found that no matter where we go, we duplicate it no matter where we go, it works. It seems to be very, very consistent. And we take these out of town into different areas, different cities, and we have the same results over and over again. So for anybody who's wanting to sort of replicate either just ferry portraits the way we do them, or the ferry portrait promotion, you know, the ferry day sort of special that we do, this is the place. So the first thing on the item is the Ferry Masters Manual. It's a PDF file, and it's about 72 pages long. So I always encourage people to download it, send it to their copy shop. That's what I did on this one. As you can see, they put a fancy plastic cover on it, and the cover is printed in color, and everything else is in black and white. So in this manual, I've described from A to Z everything that you need pretty much in a nutshell, and as many details as is possible, and what is most important, what you need to for props, for posing, for lighting, for marketing, selling, everything you need from A to Z on running your own ferry day promotions. Okay, that's the first thing. Also, there's a lot of videos. Core part of what I'm including in the Ferry Masters are videos. You can see me in action, actual ferry day events, and you can see how I pose the little girls. And this isn't something that I figured out right away. It's something that I learned through experience, what poses work best, what sells best, what is best insofar as what is easiest for the little child, because you don't want it to be a pain in the butt. You don't want it to be something that they're not going to enjoy. They have to enjoy it. It's important. So there's a lot of videos on that. Very, very detailed, as well as detailed videos on props, setup, lighting, Photoshop, marketing, selling, and studio management, just to name a few other areas. So all of it very, very detailed instructions on all of those different areas. Now, what's also included is you get me. If you have any struggles, if you want feedback, photographers who are members of Ferry Masters send me their images for feedback, and I guide them. I tell them exactly what they need to do, help them with their lighting, workflow, and any other struggles. Plus, we have mastermind meetings once a month or more, or for many, I'll have a one-on-one mastermind. So if you want to get together and talk online, we'll use Zoom. We'll sit down and we'll look at what you got going on and figure out a plan. We'll figure out a direction, and that's what I'm there for. So that's all part of the Ferry Masters. All right, thanks.